Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can log into the VN Editor app. So I'm just going to press on the profile sort of icon on the bottom right corner, and then I'm just going to press login. I will then use a third-party login. I'm just going to use my sort of Apple ID to log in. So I'm just going to choose the Apple one, but you can log in using Facebook, Gmail, and Twitter. So I'm just going to use my Apple ID for today. I'm just going to press continue with passcode, and I'm just going to quickly enter my passcode. So I will be right back. Okay, now that I've signed in, I'm just going to write down a username and that I have agreed to the terms and stuff. I'm just going to press sign up now. And that's it. Now I have a VN Editor account. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!